What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you've made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. You guys, is this shirt just not too cute? It says, "Hey there, pumpkin." Love the leopard print. Alright guys, so today, I have a Dollar General deal put together for you guys. I have a short little clip and receipt from the free Thanksgiving dinner from IBOTTA. You can get a free Thanksgiving dinner, 9 items, completely free, plus a $15 value turkey if you refer a friend. If you guys want to learn more information about the 9 free items that you get, be sure to go watch my last video. It says free in big red, 9 free items. But we're going to do a short clip of the stuff that I went and got yesterday. So go grab you a snack, grab you something to drink, sit back, and let's save this money. Alright guys, so the Dollar General deal for Saturday, November the 6th, 2021. I'm going to go over it really quick on here and then really quick on the computer so you can see the coupons. You're going to want to get the Oral-B toothbrush for $3. We have a $2 off digital. The Always Discreet for $3. We have a $2 off digital. The Vicks Cough Drops for $1. We have a $1 off digital. The Gillette Mach 3 Razor, which is $6.25. We have a $3 off digital. Airwick Vanilla Kit, $3.35 with a $2.75 off digital. 2 of the Clorox dish soaps with Oxy. Them are the 10 ounces on the dollar aisle, the Value Valley aisle. For 2 of them, it's $2. We have a $1 off digital attaching to it, glitching. 2 of the Glade aerosol sprays. That was supposed to say 2. It is $2. Be sure to get the clean linen. I know that scent is attaching. And we have a $1 off digital. And then 2 of the Febreze sprays. That's going to be $6. And we have a $3 off digital. For all of these items before tax and coupons, your subtotal is going to come out to $26.60. $26.60. When you add up all your coupons and your 5 off 25, because you're over that $25 threshold for Saturday, your subtotal in coupons is going to be $20.75. So you're going to minus your $20.75 coupon total from your total before tax and coupons. So $26.60 minus your $20.75 in coupons leaves you paying a total of $5.85 plus tax for 11 items. That is 11 items for $5.85, and that's only 53 cents per item. Now I'm going to show you guys on the computer, and then we're also going to show you the coupons. Alright guys, so here is your Mach 3 razor. We have a $3 off coupon, so it's making your total $3.25, just like I said on the paper. Your Febreze Odor Eliminating Air Freshener, we have the $3 off coupon for 2 of them. It is $6, so your subtotal will be $3 for it. These are the Vicks Cough Drops that you're going to want to pick up on the Value Valley aisle. They look exactly like this. For the 20 count, it is $1, and with our coupon, we will pay $0. The Oral-B Indicator Color Correction Manual Toothbrush, the soft bristles, the 2 count. It is originally $3. After our $2 off digital, we will only pay $1. Our Airwick Oil Vanilla scent, it has to be the vanilla. It's found on the end caps and stuff with the holiday scents. It is $3.65, I think, something like that. Original price. Hang on. $3.35 original price. It says it right there. Hello, Stephanie. We have the $2.75 off digital, which is going to leave us paying only 60 cents for that Airwick kit. Then we have the Always Discreet liners that are regular $3. With our $2 off digital, we'll only pay $1. Our 2, as you can see, we have 2 of these. Glade clean linen sprays, the 8 ounce. We have a $1 off 2 Glade coupon attaching. So it's regular $2 for 2 of them. We will only pay $1. And then right here we have the Clorox liquid laundry or liquid dish detergent, the 10 ounce, the Oxy Blue. Get the blue with the Oxy in it. And it is off the Value Valley aisle, off the dollar aisle. You're going to want to pick up 2 of them. That's regular $2, but we have a $1 off digital, making it only $1. As you can see, our subtotal comes out to $26.60. Right now, it's saying we only have $15.75 in coupons. That's because on Saturday, we'll have that extra 5 off 25. As you can see, with our extra 5 off 25, it'll be $20.75 in coupons, and that's going to leave you paying only $5.85 plus tax. If you want to run out and get this deal today because you're scared all of these items still will not be in store come Saturday, then you will pay $10.85, which is still a great deal. It's about $1 per item. So these are all great items to throw in a gift basket, especially the toothbrushes, the cough drops, the razor, the Airwick kit. Throw a dish soap in there, a Glade spray, and a Febreze spray. Them are all great items to throw in a gift basket. So this is all that I have for the Dollar General deal. Now we're going to go over a sale coming up at Dollar General. Guys, are you ready for the one day only? This is going to be November the 5th. Which is Friday, November the 5th. This is a one day only sale. Now, this is the pre-holiday event, November the 5th, one day only. We're going to have BOGO free children's books. So you buy one children's book, you get one free. Them are great stuffers for stockings. Or if you want to make a gift basket for a kid, buy one, get one free on children's books. Then, this deal is actually 3 days. It's going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, November 4th through November 6th. So, Thursday through Saturday, they're going to be buy one, get one, 75% off on any toys, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, or equal or lesser value. You must purchase 2 to get the discount. It excludes Legos and LOL. And it can't be combined with the holiday toy spend 75, save 25% offer. Okay, so you can buy this baby shark for your little boy and get the baby shark for the little girl 75% off. This is really a really good deal. If you need some toys for your kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews or friends' kids, now would be the time to run out and get them, especially if you have to buy for more than one. They got Baby Alive. They have VTech, the mini brands, Unicorn, Spider-Man, a little microwave, Play Microwave, Minnie Mouse. This is a great time to run out and get toys really cheap. So if y'all need toys, y'all be sure to get to Dollar General between Thursday and Saturday. Now let's get into some of the other adult things going on Friday. If I can get this to come down. One day only, pre-holiday event. This is only gonna be on the 5th. Sorry if it's getting a little confusing. You can buy one canned pumpkin and get a can of carnation milk free, condensed milk free. They're going to have buy one, get one free hamburger helpers, buy one, get one free General Mills cereal. That is great because we also have, I believe, some General Mills coupons. The Palmolive is $2 with a 75% off digital. Arm & Hammer with a $1 off digital. Airwicks with a $1.50 off. The Chic razors are going to be $6 on sale with a $4 off digital, making them only $2. That's great to throw in any stockings. This is a great deal. You buy 2 packs of Brony paper towels. The 2 count, you get one free. Brony is a really amazing paper towel. If you've never used it, a little bit goes a long way with Brony, okay? Let's see what else we got. We got a 3-piece gaming combo that's originally $25. It's only going to be $12. 20% off PlayStation and Xbox gift cards. LED shower head that is regular $5. It's going to be 25% off. 25% off Balloon Zoom and Pixicade as seen on TV games. There's going to be a $25 air fryer that's originally $35. A karaoke wireless mic with a built-in speaker that's originally $12. It's going to be only $6. A Bluetooth speaker that is originally $8. It will be $5. 50% off holiday LED lights. Yes, okay, if you need some holiday decorations, go get them November the 5th. We're going to have 50% off fleece throw blankets. They're regular $5, so they'll only be $2.50. Look at that red truck. Look at them deer. You got the buffalo check. These are cute. Then you're going to have 25% off holiday crafting from $1 to $3. You're going to have buy one, get one free Crayola Color Wonder. That is awesome. Colors on special paper only. I don't know about that. Looks like you're going to have to buy a book with it, but they're buy one, get one free. So if you got 2 kids you need to get it for, or 4 or 6, that would be great. The 1-piece sleepwear for the family is going to be $8. So pajamas for the family, they look like they are the onesies. Instantly save $3 on the wall trimmers. LA gift sets or LA Color gift sets are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Freeman face masks are going to be 5 for $5. So $1 each. You have 25% off this lantern and this wide beam headlight. And that's it. Y'all be sure to remember, all of this stuff is November the 5th, one day only. All of this stuff is November the 5th, one day only. And then the toys that are buy one, get one 75% off are Thursday, November the 4th through Saturday, November the 6th. So now's a good time to be running out to DG to prepare for the holidays. Alright guys, so I wanted to share with you the things that I got from IBOTTA completely free, and then tomorrow I will be going to pick up my turkey. I did price the turkeys. They're $13.46 for a pretty good sized turkey, and I have a $15 bag, so that'll actually be $1 and some change money maker. But I got the steamed fresh corn, the loaded potatoes, the Jiffy cornbread mix, the turkey stuffing. I got the cornbread stuffing, it did attach, the cream of mushroom soup, the cranberry sauce, the turkey gravy, and the French fried onions. Here is my receipt. I also picked up a few other things, but I will pop up where IBOTTA redeemed my items and I got my money back. Alright, so today is November the 3rd. It is our second day of saying what we are thankful for. So on today, November 3rd, 2021, I'm very, very thankful for you guys and YouTube and everything that I have learned from here, because when I first started doing YouTube, I didn't even coupon. I did like Dollar Tree hauls, cooking, cleaning, and YouTube is what brought me to couponing and saving money. This was, you know, a while back. I'm so very, very thankful for it. I'm thankful for my YouTube community. I'm thankful for YouTube, period. I'm thankful that YouTube continues to push me to continue to, you know, do better. And I'm most thankful for each and every person I have met on here. Y'all are truly amazing. I don't think you would truly understand unless you were in my shoes or you had a YouTube channel and had people commenting. But some days when I'm feeling my worst, I'll read some of y'all's comments and it just completely brightens my day, turns my negative attitude into a positive attitude. Y'all, I'm so blessed to have each and every single one of y'all, so I'm very, very thankful for that. Oh, be sure to let me know down below in the comments what you are thankful for, and we will share it on our post notification shout out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now gonna do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on that post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go on and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share it with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. You guys, please be sure to share it. Facebook groups, Facebook period, Instagram, Twitter. I don't have a Twitter, but you can share it on Twitter if you can do that sort of thing. Share it everywhere, you guys. Share, share, share. And also be sure to comment. You can comment hashtag ChamFam, hashtag done, hashtag post notification gang, and or comment what you are thankful for. So today's shout out goes to Mitzi Gillum. I'll pop your comment up. I see you, girl. Thank you so much for the love and support. Yes, family is very, very important, and I'm very thankful for family as well. And I'm so glad that you feel blessings on top of blessings. Every single one of us has been blessed. Some of us might not be able to see it, but it's happened. The small blessings are the ones that we tend to look over, but sometimes the most important. So thank you for sharing what you are thankful for, and I love each and every single one of you guys. I am so excited about tomorrow's video, so y'all be sure to be on the lookout. That is it for today, and don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now, and time for baby. Good morning, Remy. Oh, got bed head? Baba. You got bed head? Baba. Are you mama sweet girl? We're going to tell the Cham fam good morning. Tell them you get to go spend the day with grandma while mama's working. Tell them love you. Look at that hair, y'all. Woo! She always goes to my mama's in her pajamas, and I pack her a change of clothes, and then my mama changes her because she'll go back to sleep when she gets to my mama's. Remy, give them bye, sugar. We're going to get some bye, sugar? Get some bye, sugar. Sweet baby. He's such a sweet baby. So love you. Y'all have a good morning. Sweet girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.